Hi, today is the 13th exercise, and today we will do manifestation of positive birth. So it's not the same as ideal birth in the night assignment, because there we went through impossible. Maybe you gave birth on Mars. I don't know. What did you imagine? But today we will stay in the lane of possibility, but we will manifest the best possible scenario in the circumstances we are in. So, for example, majority of women would say, I don't want to feel pain giving birth. You can manifest how the birth without pain looks like. And I really, really want you to sense this sensation in your body. This is just an example. You will need to find out what is the best possible scenario for you. I will help you a little through some questions. And once you will have this possible scenario, I want you to take a photo of it. So you will have this image in front of your eyes. And throughout the day, you can return to this image and bring back these positive sensations that we will create today. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes or look at one spot. In your mind, you will imagine a positive birth where everything happens just as you wish. For a moment, set aside your worries and any other unease feeling about childbirth. Just for this exercise. Everything is possible, even a completely pain-free birth. If that's what you desire. How does a pain-free birth feel in your body? How does it feel to give birth without any worries? Without complications? Without, and here you insert anything you want, anything that works for you. Now feel this sensation of a pleasant birth in your body. How does your body react giving this birth? Does it feel more relaxed, warmer, excited, lighter, stronger? How is your body responding to this pleasant birthing experience? Stay with this pleasant sensation. Stay with this pleasant body response. And once you have it in your mind, do a little photo. And in this photo, you are capturing this pleasant experience of you giving birth. And once you finish, you can open your eyes. Maybe you will need to do this manifestation more than once, but once you will have this image in your mind, you can just picture this image and connect it to this pleasant body sensation. I want to give you the example outside of giving birth. Some people enjoy beach, other forest, dirt, mountains. I am enjoying the beach the most, and I imagine the picture of the beach and I connect this picture to my body. I feel a pleasant sensation in my chest area and warmth of the sun on my skin. And I can feel it in my body when I imagine this picture. And this is what we are building towards. So you just look at this photo in your mind and you have this body sensation of this pleasant birth experience. Practice and don't forget, once you are done, each time do body scan, naming the emotions and breathing exercise. And we see each other in our last assignment. Have a nice day.